first, as we age, our brains age. And uh, so that's just a basic fact. And there are ways to measure aging of the brain, and you can measure it through an MRI scan, a structural MRI scan. And it's not like taking a scan and then sort of holding it up to the light and sort of interpreting it like tea leaves and estimating a person's brain age from what their image looks like. There are objective ways of doing this using machine learning algorithms that automatically take into account all the different aspects of the structural features of the brain, many different parameters, and come up with an estimate of a person's brain age. And one of the cool things is if you take, for example, 1,000 random people of different chronological ages, and you get this measure on each of them, and you look at the correlation between their brain age and their chronological age, there's a very high correlation. For those who are really techno geeks, it's about zero point 0.7. But zero point 0.7, if you know, only accounts for about 50% of the variance. And so, yes, it's true that the older you are, the older your brain is likely to be, but there's dispersion around that regression line, as we call it. And that dispersion means there are some people whose brains are aging more slowly compared to their chronological age, and there are other people whose brains are aging more quickly compared to their chronological age. And so, what we can ask is whether meditation actually decreases the rate at which your brain ages and makes it more likely that your brain is aging more slowly compared to your chronological age.